Hi everyone, my name is Gautamama. So today I gonna tell you something about how I gonna spend my weekend and Saturday Sunday. So somehow I plan to go Rajmachi Fort, around 180 kilometer from Pune. I can say so. That's not a big deal. Big deal is before 7 a.m., like Saturday 7 a.m. I have to be there, and I like to do travel at the night, so it could be less traffic and pollution. I'm considering this point as well. So then, literally, I would say this kind of challenging thing for me because long ago I done trekking, but this new place, new area, and also trekking team also coming with me because I don't know that place and they're gonna guide me as well. And also I don't know Hindi, Marathi, so still I'm learning. Might be this trekking help for learning Hindi and Marathi as well. Don't think is in a boring. So it has to be it is a wonderful journey with me. What do you think? It's funny kind of you can expect from me because I am the funniest fellow in the world because I don't have a Sikhu Sharam or what we can say Natke Mana Maryadi in my regional language. I don't know what call it as in Hindi. Somehow learning KG upload, then join with me. Just stare up me, and while climbing you can got to know how the place is difficult, and while climbing explore new things there, and you guys also explore while watching my YouTube channel. So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's go. I started my journey Pune to Kajit railway station. Well, in train there is no space. Somehow I adjusted with you know the train and seats, and I reached Kajit railway station. From there, I take Pune team like a traveling team attachment. We taken cab from there to Rajmachi, near hill. So we had breakfast in the railway station also, and after going there, we have to prepare for raincoat and all the snacks, water, everything we have to prepare and keep into our bag, and instantly we started doing trekking because of already time is getting late. So and it's rainy, we can't able to climb quickly. So we started early in the morning. There's no that much rain, so we started quickly. So thing is going on smooth now. Every 10 minutes, we have waterfall while doing trekking. That's the best part in the trekking. And also, I can show you biggest waterfall in the hill. This is the one of the biggest one, and there was some related some statues related to Buddhism and some design and pillars. Everything is there. If you want to stay like, we can say there was some place to stay, but for that to have kind of permission we need. I thought some places are awesome, and we taken some photos with our trekking team. This is our next level, and You can see the field with the waterfall. It's damn good there with the situation and everything. If you give a food for lifetime, I can stay there only. And wonderful place that is. This is our thing. See how beautiful it looks, and instantly we started, doing trekking because long way to, day to trekking, and while climbing, we surrounded by the snow and smoke. Everything is while looking too much food, and somehow I taken some pictures, and you can see our the trekking teammates. They were also taking some pictures. It's damn good there. Wonderful view from there. What a view, yeah. And here I taken some videos and photos, everything. And this is a part one video, and part two, if you want, just subscribe and follow for more. Thank you. Bye bye.